Hi, welcome to Food Tech Corner. In this video, I will be talking about Food Standard Agency offers free online courses on root cause analysis. This is an online platform which provides online courses for free of cost. You can do at your own pace of time. Anyone with any nationality can study. Upon successful completion of course will get in free digital certificates. I will take you in the step-by-step process. Go to the browser. Type Food Standard Agency root cause analysis, or I will give the link at the description box. Make use of it. It will take you to the official page of Food Standard Agency free online courses page. Don't skip the video, watch till at the end in order to get the complete procedure, how to complete the modules, how to get digital certificate on successful completion. Before we get into the topic, if you are new to Food Tech Corner channel, don't forget to visit the page which contains a lot of video which describes about where are the free online courses available like GCF, ICT, Google, UNICEF are all offering free online courses with free digital certificate on successful completion. And you can also know about how to assess and download free study material for the entrance and competitive exams. Free digital library, MIT free courses are offering free study material for the competitive exams. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Without further delay, I will take you to the video. I am clicking on the home tab. It will take you to this kind of page where you can select the right course for you. They have been providing online courses for two category people. One for enforcement authorities and second is for food business. Those who are students, working professional or food business operator can use this category in order to study an introduction to root cause analysis courses. Now I'm clicking on for food business. It will take you to this kind of page. This is an official page of an introduction to root cause analysis course for food business operator. This course comprises of 9 modules and 1 quiz. We have to complete the quiz in order to get a CPD certificate. The 9 modules are about this course: introduction, the step of the root cause analysis process, understanding the problem, RCA methods, data collections and analysis, worked example, preventive actions and review, and finally reporting. Now I am clicking on the module 1 about this course. The aim of the course is to provide you with an understanding of the theory and practical of root cause analysis. In each module, you may contain some interactive questions and find out more sections for the better understanding of the subject. And about CPD certificates, and quiz will be provided up to 3 hours towards CPD requirement. CPD certificates are available to interested professionals who register, log in and pass the quizzes. The certificate will expire after 1 year and the status of the quiz will be reset. Scroll down, click on the green tab written to module menu. It will take you to the introduction page. Now I am clicking on the module 2 and this page gives the complete details about an introduction to root cause analysis. In order to access to the next page, click on next. It is important that the root cause analysis helps you to protect the consumer from food safety issues, and also you can avoid costs associated with food recalls and withdrawals. Protect your food business reputation, save money by focusing resources. Clicking on next here. Page provides you some other important information regarding this topic, and significant focus on root cause analysis has comes from this inclusions in several classes of the BRC Global Standard of Food Standard, and also well explained about a structured approaches of root cause analysis by stage by process. As the same manner, complete all the pages. And now I am clicking on return to module menu tab. It will take you to the home page of the course. Now I am clicking on module 3, the step of the root cause analysis. this kind of page will appear. This page explains about the step of the root cause analysis process. It has totally 5 steps. On clicking on the 8 steps provides respective information in a precise manner which can be self-understandable. And clicking on return to module menu, again it will take you to the home page now. As the same manner complete all the modules. Now I am clicking on the module 9 report. This kind of page will appear. This page well explains about how to prepare a report for root cause analysis. A pictorial representation gives you a better and simplified way of understanding, and thereby they are providing with bullet form. On clicking on that, it provides an amazing information respective to that topic. On further move on, read the material carefully. Click on report form. This kind of page will appear. On this page, you will learn about what is food incident, product withdrawals and recalls, reporting a food incident, undertaking root cause analysis, protecting and depending foods and drinking food from deliberate attack, and etc. Go back to the official page. Click on green tab, return to the module menu. Complete all the modules and you can do it your own pace of time. Hardly it requires 3 hours to complete. Now I am clicking on quiz in order to get a CPD certificate on successful completion. This kind of page will appear. This quiz tests you on your understanding of the module of this course. You have to log in order to access the quiz, so as CPD certificate can be provided to you. You should work through the course content before attempting the quiz. If you have already registered, enter your registered mail ID and password and click on login. If you are a new user, click on the register. It will take you to this kind of page. Register yourself with first name, last name, email ID, enter your password, confirm your password and enter the security code which given above and click on register. Now enter your email ID and password here and click login. Kind of pop-up will appear. Click on never. This page contains the 9 multiple choice questions. Give a right answer to the respective questions. At least you have to get 80% mark in order to get a CPD certificate. On successful completion of the quiz, just click on the submit button. If you got 80% mark in the quiz, you will get a CPD certificate in PDF form. As I already said, your CPD certificate will expire after 1 year and the quiz will be reset. So I think this video will be useful to you. I have already posted a video on the topic free food labeling e-learning course offered by Food Standard Agency. And the second course is free food allergen e-learning course offered by Food Standard Agency. These are the interesting topic must be learned by the student, working professional or the food business operator to get a better understanding about these topics. I think this video will be useful to you. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please give thumbs up. If you have any doubt, please comment it below. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe.